Standing before the world leaders and millions of viewers, she shares the profound wisdom found in Jesus' prayer, emphasizing the transformative power of divine love. In the aftermath, Grace witnesses a shift in consciousness as people from different cultures and beliefs come together, inspired by the idea that they are loved by a higher power. She realizes that her small act of faith has blossomed into a worldwide movement of compassion and understanding. Let these words inspire you to live in the fullness of God's love as you allow the indwelling presence of Christ to transform your heart, enabling you to love others with the same agape love that has been lavished upon you. In doing so, you become a living testament to the profound truth of John 17, verses 24 through 26, embodying the very love that binds the Trinity and extends to all of creation.